Hey, one more time, and welcome to my channel. The name of this channel is called Income Up Premium. Here we discuss on how to make money online through every legitimate means. But at the moment, I want to discuss on a cryptocurrency mining bot that is on Telegram. As you can see from the interface, the name is Avacoin, and it will be listing. When you hear listing in the crypto space, it means it will be launching on the 30th of July. Here is to tell you what you must know and what you must do urgently so as to make the most of this app listing. Now, as you can see from this interface, the date is 30th. We are all been open for 30th, but there's an update that came up today that there's going to be a snapshot on the 28th, which is 2 days from now. As at the time this video was being recorded, that there will be a snapshot. I know basically at the moment, tapping on this app has ended. So there are basically two means of earning now, through staking and carrying out daily tasks on this app. In fact, there are still tasks to be carried out even today. If you are yet to be registered, you can find the registration link on the description of this video. Just click on the topic if you don't know the description and click on more. You will see the registration link. You will also see other means of contacting me, like my WhatsApp group, my email, where you'll be getting further details about this app. But in doing that, if it's your first time of coming across the channel, please do wait now to subscribe. You can subscribe even as you are watching, and you can hit the notification button so that when other update comes like this, you will be notified immediately so as to know what to do. Then, if you're also returning subscriber, thank you very much. God bless you. You can see it here. The number 2 things for you to do is to connect your Ton wallet. If you have already mining this app and you have not connected your Ton wallet, do well now to connect your Ton wallet. Click on the profile. You will see the need for you to verify your email. The email that is going as at the time of making this video is Outlook Mail, Yahoo Mail, and other mails. You will see them there when you click on it. Then you see the claiming will be available on the 30th. Now, you know there's two balances. You will see your balance from what you are mining, from what you are staking, and they will also have the staking balance. So you can divide it into two. You have some there that is being staked because it's a continuous thing. Though they are listing on the 30th, according to the core thing of this cryptocurrency, the mining continues. So if you claim part, the ones you are going to leave will be yielding for you. So please do well to subscribe one more time so that you get further updates. Thank you very much, and God bless you.